Welcome to Coco's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Poki's Cleaning Up Adventure.
欢迎来到 Koko 的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做《刺刺的乱冒险》。
Are you ready? Let's begin. Morning light danced through the tall trees.
Dewdrops shone on every single leaf.
Koko heard a sound behind the bushes.
She tiptoed closer, very carefully.
It was Poki, looking up at the sky.
What do you see up there? Asked Koko.
Poki pointed with a tiny hand.
Come look with me, said Poki.
Poki tried very hard but could not do it.
I cannot do this, sighed Poki.
He sat down on a rock, feeling sad.
I tried so many times, said Poki.
Koko watched and had an idea.
Maybe we can try a different way.
Poki looked up with hopeful eyes.
You really think so? Asked Poki.
They walked side by side on the path.
Koko told Poki a funny story.
Poki laughed for the first time today.
See? Things are getting better, said Koko.
The sun peeked through the clouds.
The sun came out just for us, said Poki.
Koko and Poki kept walking together.
They counted the flowers on the path.
1, 2, 3, 4, counted Poki.
5, 6, 7, added Koko, laughing.
The forest felt warmer with a friend. A gentle rain began to fall.
Koko found a big leaf to share.
They huddled together under it.
Rain makes everything grow, said Koko.
Poki laughed at a raindrop on his nose.
Even us? Asked Poki. Even us.
Sunlight found its way through the trees.
It fell gently on both their faces.
I feel something different now, said Poki.
That is called hope, said Koko softly.
Everything was better now.
Poki smiled the biggest smile.
I could not have done this alone.
Koko gave Poki a gentle pat.
We make a great team, Koko said.
Poki nodded, eyes shining bright.
The two friends sat side by side.
The stars were starting to come out.
It was a perfect end to the day. A cool breeze whispered through the leaves.
It carried the smell of flowers and rain.
Koko leaned against the big oak tree.
Poki sat close beside her.
No place felt safer than right here. Koko looked at Poki one more time.
Sharing doubles the joy.
Poki nodded slowly. It was true.
Some lessons you feel deep in your heart.
The forest wrapped them in gentle quiet. Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, mess.
Koko showed Poki how to be mess.
Word 2, clean.
Poki was clean in the big forest.
Word 3, responsibility.
In the forest, Poki felt responsibility. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
Sharing doubles the joy.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.